Baoyu GT-1500 high-speed cylinder bed interlock sewing machine. This machine adopts the arm extension design, which is mainly used for turbulent sewing of clothes and trousers. The machine body adopts independent R&D, processing, and production, and better quality control. Imported sealant is used to prevent oil leakage more effectively. No need to worry about oil. Unique drive transmission system to minimize noise and vibration. Less parts wear and the machine is more durable. The sound of electromagnet trimming is light. The differential adjustment is convenient to make the stitch more smooth. High-strength nano-coating needle bar, durable, wear-resistant, and more stable. The knife blade back and forth shaft is chrome plating processed to prevent rust and improve wear resistance. Abundant optional guided reel sewing to meet different sewing requirements. Button hemming, flat covering, thin binding, and standing covering. Truly realizing one machine with multiple functions. Suitable for different special process is garment processing, like single-side covering sewing and tape covering of sportwear, sewing collar, sleeve, elastic lace of all kinds of garment.